Top 15 Telegram Bot with Raspberry Pi-based project ideas. 1. Home Automation Bot. A Telegram bot integrated with Raspberry Pi to control home appliances remotely, allowing users to turn lights on/off, adjust thermostat settings, and manage smart devices. 2. Security Surveillance Bot. Develop a Telegram bot that provides live video streaming from Raspberry Pi connected cameras, enabling users to monitor their home or office remotely and receive motion detection alerts. 3. Weather Station Bot. Create a Telegram bot that retrieves weather data from Raspberry Pi sensors and delivers real-time weather updates and forecasts to users based on their location. 4. Smart Garden Bot. Design a Telegram bot for Raspberry Pi-based smart gardening systems, allowing users to monitor soil moisture levels, control irrigation systems, and receive gardening tips and reminders. 5. Pet Care Bot. Develop a Telegram bot integrated with Raspberry Pi sensors to monitor pets' activities, dispense food or treats, and provide users with updates on their pets' well-being while they're away. 6. Energy Monitoring Bot. Build a Telegram bot that tracks energy consumption using Raspberry Pi connected sensors, providing users with insights into their electricity usage, cost estimates, and recommendations for energy-saving practices. 7. Aquaponics Monitoring Bot. Create a Telegram bot for Raspberry Pi-based aquaponics systems, allowing users to monitor water quality, pH levels, and plant growth, as well as receive alerts for system maintenance. 8. Smart Doorbell Bot. Develop a Telegram bot integrated with Raspberry Pi and a camera module to notify users of visitors at their door, enabling two-way communication and remote door access control. 9. Health Monitoring Bot. Design a Telegram bot that collects health data from Raspberry Pi sensors, for example, heart rate, blood pressure, and provides users with personalized health insights, reminders, and recommendations. 10. Inventory Management Bot. Create a Telegram bot for Raspberry Pi-based inventory management systems, allowing users to track stock levels, receive low stock alerts, and manage product orders and shipments. 11. Plant Watering Reminder Bot. Build a Telegram bot integrated with Raspberry Pi soil moisture sensors to remind users to water their plants based on real-time moisture levels and plant species requirements. 12. Smart Mirror Bot. Develop a Telegram bot for Raspberry Pi-powered smart mirrors, enabling users to customize display content, for example, weather, news, calendar events, and receive personalized updates. 13. Home Security Alarm Bot. Design a Telegram bot that activates Raspberry Pi-connected alarm systems in case of unauthorized access or security breaches, providing users with instant alerts and options for emergency response. 14. Traffic Monitoring Bot. Create a Telegram bot that retrieves traffic data from Raspberry Pi-connected sensors and delivers real-time traffic updates, congestion alerts, and alternate route suggestions to users. 15. Disaster Response Bot. Develop a Telegram bot integrated with Raspberry Pi sensors to detect environmental hazards, for example, earthquakes, floods, and provide users with emergency notifications, evacuation routes, and safety guidelines.